Hi, I'm Mark Thompson and I'm the Product Development Manager that worked on the Evora Nasal mask. So today we're going to sit down with some of the product designers that worked on this mask and ask some of your frequently asked questions. So Jono, we know that when fitting an OSA mask that sizing is really important, and so we developed a sizing guide for that reason. Can you explain to us how that works?
Sure. So for Evora Nasal we have two sizing guides, and I'll just walk you through one of them today. They both have two really simple steps, one to measure your nose width and one to measure your nose depth. So for step one, you just place it up in between your nose, and if you do touch the sides, you know that you're either a large or a wide seal. If you don't touch the sides, you know that you're either a small or a medium. So that's step one. Step two is to put the sizing guide underneath your nose. You'll probably need a mirror or someone else to help you, and you just look at where your nose tip sits in those two regions. So I'd probably be a medium, right, Mark?
That's correct, yep, you'd be a medium. So what do you do if you don't get the right size first time?
We recommend, if you notice leaks, that you could change to a seal size that might be better for your nose. So if you notice leaks out the sides of your nose, it's probably best to try a seal that's better for smaller noses. So that would be a small or a medium seal. And if you notice leaks out the tip of your nose, it's probably best to try a size that's better for shorter noses. So that would be a small or a wide seal.
Tom, Evora is available in a fit pack. So can you just talk us through how a patient would find the right seal size for them when using that fit pack?
Yeah, sure, Mark. I've got a fit pack right here. I can talk you through how you unpack the mask and the different seal sizes. So the fit pack comes ready assembled with the medium seal and two additional seals in the pack as well. We recommend to put this medium seal size on first, but if you're experiencing any leak coming out the front of your nose, try the small size, and if you're experiencing any discomfort out the sides of your nose, try the large seal size.
So what if none of the seal sizes seem to fit?
You may be actually a wide seal size, so you should go back to your equipment provider who'd be more than happy to provide you with that wide seal size.
Cam, when we developed the Evora Nasal mask, one of our primary goals was to make it as comfortable as possible for the patients. Can you explain for us how we made the headgear to be really comfortable for patients?
Yeah, thanks, Mark. We knew with this design that we'd need to have quite a rigid headgear to provide the stability that we'd need for this seal. In order to do that, we had to make it stiff in this direction, but flexible in this direction to try to improve the comfort on the patient's face. We also wrapped it in a soft knit to try to improve the comfort on the face, and we had added these air edges to try to reduce the marks on the face.
Now Vicky, an important aspect of mask maintenance is cleaning. What tips would you suggest for cleaning the Evora Nasal mask?
Great question, Mark. So we recommend washing the mask with warm soapy water. One thing to note is that the headgear would take a bit longer to dry since it is fabric and absorbs a bit more water than the plastic components. So we recommend leaving enough time for it to dry. That way, when you wear it at night, it's nice and dry for you to wear.
Do you need to remove the back strap for cleaning?
So a great thing about the headgear is that you can wash it all in one unit without having to remove the back strap or change the adjustment settings.
So Jordan, a question we get a lot is how long will the headgear last for on Evora?
So as part of the design and testing process, we have tested it to ensure that it lasts for up to 12 months in home. So we do something called simulated home use, which is where we effectively cycle and wash the headgear the equivalent of 12 months in a home use setting. And this is to make sure that it's still safe and effective at the end of that.
Thanks team for joining us and answering those questions. And we hope you really enjoy using the Evora Nasal mask. It's been our pleasure to design it for you.